Arbortech's cut the cord on the brand new brick and mortar ALLSAW. The new BA200X is powered by any DEWALT FLEXVOLT battery, which means you can use it anywhere. No cords, no generators, plug in the battery, plug in the blades, and you are cutting. And unlike a demo saw with a circular blade, the brick and mortar ALLSAW cuts square and it cuts deep, plunging up to 120 millimeters. It cuts with two blades at the business end that reciprocate against each other that produce substantially less airborne dust than a circular demo saw blade. If you clip on that included rubber boot and plug it up to a good M-class or H-class extractor, there's almost no dust escaping while you cut, which is awesome for working inside a customer's house. Very little cleanup and it looks after your health. There's a range of blades to suit this tool and you change them toollessly with just that quick change lever. You can get them in and out in seconds, whether you're plunging to remove a single brick or whether you're cutting in a lintel or a new door. It's a fairly compact tool as well, with great grip and control. Everywhere you touch the tool is rubberized, and that top grip there has got 4 quick stops as well, so you can adjust that grip to suit your application and preference. There's very little vibration that transfers through to you, the user, as well, so long as you use the front of the blades cutting with the teeth and not hitting on the toe or the heel, which will cause hammering. It's available in all Sydney Tool stores as a bare tool if you've already got FLEXVOLT batteries, or it comes in this handy combo kit with hard case, 9 Ah battery and charger, as well as both the GP and plunge blades in a handy pouch. I've got a 9 Ah in there now, but if you're running it with the largest 15 Ah FLEXVOLT battery, you can expect up to 35 minutes of continuous runtime, depending on your application. It's a really great tool. Make sure you check it out at your local Sydney Tools store, or head online to sydneytools.com.au for the full specs and to order online. And if you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.